Hey friends, it's David and Khristanne from On the Hunt for Fun. We're kicking off the holiday season, surrounded by all the magic of Dollywood's Smoky Mountain Christmas.
The lights are absolutely stunning. Come along with us as we walk through this gorgeous winter wonderland.
Hey guys, we just spent the day at Dollywood.
Came out to enjoy some beautiful Christmas
Oh,
decorations.
we sure did. This is our first Christmas at Dollywood together, and we really had a blast. We got to hang out with our grands and have a lot of fun. And
It's a gorgeous day, so a perfect day to be outside enjoying a beautiful fall afternoon.
you couldn't ask for a better November 15th. I tell you, it's beautiful, and weather was great. It was super nice and warm. Oh man, it was a blast. It was a really good time for us to come and enjoy this beautiful place. So we thank you for coming along with us as we went out on the hunt for fun. If you're new here, we're David and Khristanne, and we're on a mission to go on little escapes that create big memories. And we hope you'll come along with us.
Follow us at On the Hunt for Fun by liking, subscribing, and hitting that notification bell. We invite you to join our email list to receive monthly newsletters and adventure freebies.